Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, happy new year. I hope that 2021 gives you guys a lot of joy, prosperity, happiness, and breakthroughs on all fronts. I really hope that 2021 is the happiest year yet for you. If you're new to the channel or if it is your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Kaizen Tshego, and if you're an oldie but a goodie and a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey! On that note, I just want to say how excited and how happy I am to have you here. If you are watching this video, it means that you transitioned from 2020 to 2021 successfully, and that is already reason enough to be excited, to be grateful, and to be happy about this new year. So as promised, I'm kicking off the year with a brand new product review. I got a little bit heated last year with some of my thoughts and my reviews, and guys, all I want to say is I will continue to keep it real. You can always come to me for honest, unbiased reviews, whether sponsored, promoted or not. I will always keep it real with you guys, and that is not going to change in 2021. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'm particularly excited for this video, and as you guys can see, I am in high spirits because oh my gosh, what an amazing way to spend my money. I'm obsessed. This wash day process has helped me to retain moisture in a way that my hair never has. My hair is soft, it's tangle free. I'm just like, what is this? Like, what is this witchcraft, native child? Honestly, like, wow guys. I got myself a deep conditioner, which just so happens to turn out to be a co-wash as well, which I think is fantastic. I also purchased this milk and honey moisture cream. This thing doesn't close, this lid. I don't know what's going on here. But this is basically leave-in conditioner. I also purchased some hair tea. Very interesting product. I can't wait to get into that one. And I also got myself a tub of whipped shea butter. As you guys know, I'm so anti-hair shampoos. I really don't like using hair shampoo in every single wash day. I don't think there's a need. I don't get a lot of product buildup. So when I bought this product, I bought it as a deep conditioner. My plan was to just do my normal wash day process. And then I saw it actually as a co-wash, meaning it has like cleaning properties. And I was like, I think I've just found the deep conditioner of my dreams, honestly. I love that it's like a 3-in-1. It's a conditioner depending on how long you leave it for. If you apply it for a few minutes, rinse it out, it's a conditioner. If you apply it on your hair and put on a heat cap to activate the extra moisture, it's a deep conditioner. And if you use it in replacement of a shampoo, it's a co-wash. And I absolutely love it when brands speak the truth. And what I mean when I say speak the truth is, guys, let's just reflect, right? I'm gonna plant a seed. We're not gonna go into it in this video, but I wanna ask you something. Do you really think that there's a difference between normal conditioner, deep conditioner, and a co-wash? Is there a difference, or is it a marketing ploy? I'm gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna plant that seed and then I'm gonna walk away silently. Two things that I really love about this deep conditioner. It's actually, first of all, a co-wash, meaning you don't need to shampoo your hair to use it. You just need to apply it onto your hair and it will act as a shampoo, but a more gentle shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, because you are essentially going to be using conditioner, but it has been approved as a co-wash, which is great because it's a 2-in-1 product, right? It smells really amazing. It's got like this herbal clean smell. Another thing that I like is the way that you can just like squeeze the conditioner out of the bottle. For me personally, it's the most hygienic way to get product out of a bottle is if you could just squeeze it out, because then you're not contaminating it with your nails and your fingers and like previous hair strands that are going to get trapped in that product. You know, when you're squeezing out, you're making zero contact, which is amazing. And the last thing that I absolutely love is how much slip this conditioner has. Like, I can definitely detangle my hair with this conditioner. It has an amazing consistency in a sense that it doesn't feel runny, but it also doesn't feel so thick that the product is just going to sit on the hair strands. What they're saying on the packaging is that it is 100% plant-based. When I look at the ingredients, it is correct. It is 100% plant-based. The ingredients include nettle, horsetail, calendula, peppermint, rosemary, and burdock roots. So essentially what all of these products help with is they help prevent scalp irritation or improve your overall scalp health. They also improve circulation, which obviously we know translates or transfers to hair growth. The ingredients also prevent premature graying and dandruff. I have a gray strand, so hopefully this tea stops that. The ingredients have hair protein building amino acids. They help to treat hair loss or to promote hair regrowth. So if you're having an issue with excess shedding, hair loss, your hairline issue, this tea is said or claims to help you reverse, prevent, or grow your hair. There it is, let's go rinse. This product smells a lot like medicine. I don't like the smell of this product, but also, if I'm being completely honest, it's not moisturizing at all. It's very liquidy. Well, it's coming out thick in the tube. However, it feels like it's just sitting on the hair and not really going to do much from a moisture perspective. I have another reflection. So they say that this is for your body and for your hair. What I can say is it feels very filmy. I can feel, it feels sticky, like I put something on that's not penetrating into my skin, like it's just laying there. I don't know scientifically and biologically whether these ingredients work in that order. Because my concern is if you have a sealant that promotes buildup, you seal the hair follicle or you coat the hair follicle, any moisture or anything else that you're adding, like it's donezo, you know? So whatever moisturizing properties that you have in this product, will they even remain, kind of a thing. So that's just like, I hope you guys understand and are following my thought process. How was my experience with this product? Dreadful. I applied this product and I felt like it was too watery. Like I know it comes out like cream, but when it touched my hair just did not feel nice. I don't know how to explain it. It just felt like, yeah, I don't know. It just did not feel nice. I still prefer my Cantu leave-in conditioner over this. What I understand this to do is it injects moisture into the hair, but it also seals the moisture. And I guess, like, if you think about it from a textbook perspective, that is what a leave-in conditioner is meant to do. I just personally don't like the way that it feels in my hair. I can't explain it. It feels very watery, very light, not moisturizing. It's just, yeah, it's not great. We all know what shea butter is for. The ingredients are 100% shea butter, cold pressed castor oil, pure coconut oil, avocado oil, aloe vera gel, grapeseed oil, 100% nourishing essential oils. It's amazing. I love it. But then again, people will say shea butter, shea butter, shea butter. I really like this one. Right now, my hair still feels soft and moisturized because of the sealing properties of the shea butter. And as I mentioned, guys, my hair loves the thick, heavy products. In order to complete my LOC, I used my Jamaican black castor oil. They actually do sell the hair as an LOC. They sell the hair products as an LOC pack where they sell this. I think it's this. I don't know if they sell a shampoo, and then they sell the oil. So I just felt like, no, let me just save money. I've got my own Jamaican black castor oil, so that's the one that I used. But I don't think that there's any issue with their one. I just already have Jamaican black castor oil, that's why I did not buy it. Overall, I am so impressed, so elated about Native Child. You know, when you've been eyeing your brand for the longest time, you're like, should I, shouldn't I? You just can't get around to getting it. I think this is my best hair purchase of 2020. It really, really was. I'm so happy with it. I've used it twice now. So this is the second wash day and second braid out. I cannot even explain to you guys like how soft and moisturized my hair feels. My hair feels incredible. My hair feels honestly incredible. And I'm just so happy that it worked out with these Native Child products because child. So yeah, guys, that basically brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you also found it valuable. Let me know your thoughts on Native Child. Have you guys used them before? Haven't you used them before? What do you think is the most impressive product in their range? For me, as I mentioned, those top two products, very, very impressive. I love what they did with this product, which goes to show that sometimes you don't really need 1,000 products. That one product that you have, just because they haven't said use it like X, doesn't mean that it doesn't work like an X. That's called using your third eye, and I absolutely love products like that. Multi-purpose products, I love them. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next one, ciao for now.